Thank you, Bill.
All right.
In the past 3 years, we've scaled to 15,000 K-12 classrooms globally with profitable unit economics. And we are on track to achieve $100 million in revenue in the next 4 years. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Pankaj Agarwal, founder and CEO of TagHive. Classrooms around the world remain passive. Teachers struggle to understand students well, and students hesitate to speak up. When that happens, attention drops, crashes, and learning suffers. This is me in the picture. I come from a small village in India, and this problem is very personal to me. Even after 20 years, my village school had not changed. Students were eager to learn, but teachers lacked the support. That's why I built Class Sathi. Let's watch a brief video to see Class Sathi in action.
Smart classroom solution that brings real-time engagement and instant feedback into every lesson. With just a click, a child can interact, respond, and participate, making learning not just fun, but also incredibly effective.
Teachers can now identify learning gaps instantly and reteach with purpose. Even the quietest backbenchers can now lean in and engage in learning. This is how we transform classroom dips to spikes. In a pilot test with over 12,000 students in India, we found that classrooms using Class Sathi showed a 10% jump in student scores in just one academic year. In education, a 10% leap like this is extraordinary. Moreover, of course, the classroom scores went up, but more importantly, the low performers nearly doubled their scores. Over the last 8 years, we built a portfolio of offerings, hardware, software for all stakeholders, AI sprinkled across applications, and a vetted content library with a scalable content management system. Sorry. Our model is very simple. Hardware opens the door at $1,500 per clicker bag with 40 units in it. But the real engine of growth is the software subscription revenue at $300 per classroom per year. That's a $90 billion hardware entry market. But more importantly, an $18 billion annual subscription opportunity. We go to market in 2 ways. First, through system integrators. We have over 100+ channel partners across these countries we work in, India, Korea, South Africa, Vietnam, Malaysia. And these system integrators are people who actually supply technology to schools already. Our second go-to-market is through our own sales and partnerships team. Our traction is accelerating. The number of questions solved on our platform has grown 10x in the last 2 years. Queries on Sathi AI have also exploded, and our revenue is scaling up. If you go at this pace of revenue growth, we see scaling to $100 million in the next 4 years. While we have a lot of partners, one of our anchor partners is Samsung, one of our investors. With Samsung, we have done joint MOUs and also have displayed Class Sathi together in different exhibitions globally, mostly in Asia. We have also received global attention. Very recently, we got acknowledged as the finalist in MIT Solves 2025 Global Learning Challenge. The results are out next week in New York City. And also, Harvard Business School published a case study on our growth strategy just this year in fall, June. Our system, Class Sathi, works even without the internet in classrooms. We have filed multiple IPs and published papers to strengthen our moat. We are a 55-member team with 8 seasoned leads, many of whom were teachers in their past jobs. I also have teaching experience. I did my undergrad from IIT Kanpur in India, did my master's from Korea, and did my MBA from Harvard. Before founding TagHive, I worked at Samsung for a decade, where I was a serial innovator. I'm an inventor on more than 100 patents. We raised seed investment from Samsung Ventures in 2017, used that capital to build the product and achieve product market fit. We had to do multiple iterations. After 4 years of doing that, we raised Series A from Forest Partners. We used that capital to scale and show that we can scale with a profitable unit economics. Now, again, after 4 years, we're using the next round, last round before our IPO, and we will use this money to scale globally. Because our product is universal, and I think schools around the world love the product that we have built. So join us, folks, in this revolution of transforming classrooms worldwide, one classroom at a time, one country at a time. Thank you so much.